and we are on our way to Turner Falls this morning, but we gotta first get some grub. So Village Inn, here we come. $4 is the cost of this toll. Oklahoma, get it together.
Oh.
Don't. You gotta be more fluid than that, Davey. Jerking the camera.
Blair Witch Project. Bouncing all over the place.
Nice trees, baby.
Damn, oh gosh. Trying to get that river, but never mind.
Guess what, you guys? Another toll. Oklahoma. Slowing down the process. Oh, yeah, there's the sign.
Turner Falls.
Just turn left here.
Yeah, right up there.
Hey, everybody. We made it. We are here in Turner Falls. It's raining, though. But we are still going to do our best to enjoy it. And we got about, I guess, a mile walk up. And then we'll be at the waterfall. So...
Oh, sorry, go.
It's castle number 1. Let me give you a brief history of Turner Falls. First of all, I didn't even know there was a Turner Falls until about maybe a year ago, and I've lived in Oklahoma my whole life. That's what's so bad about it. But yeah, it's named after a gentleman with the last name Turner who found this place after marrying a local woman who lived here. And this was on his land, and he found the waterfall, and so that's why it's named Turner Falls. And after some time, the city of Davis decided to purchase the waterfall, and so now it is it belongs to the city of Davis, Oklahoma, and it is our largest park here in Oklahoma. It's pretty cool, and it's here this whole time. I didn't even know. It's pretty bad, you guys. They have an RV park, swimming areas, camping areas. Pretty cool. Usually in the summertime, they're very busy. David, this your first time?
It is. It's my first time, and I love it already. We could camp out right there.
No, we are not.
Perfect camping spots right there for sheltering.
Look at the waterfall. So freaking cool. As you can see, we're not the only crazies that are out here in the rain. Now Now there also are caves out here, and there's one way up here at this top area. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get a good shot of it, but yeah, there are plenty of caves over here as well, which is kind of cool, but I ain't going in one, but they have plenty. And I'm not 100% sure, but can't you swim in this?
Yeah. Yeah, they said you can go swimming. Let's do it. It's gonna read sign here. It says no lifeguard on duty.
There are 2 lifeguard posts, but there is no lifeguard on duty. So it's kind of swim at your own risk type of situation whenever it's warm enough to swim.
I would totally swim.
Probably gets pretty crowded here during the summer, actually. So if you wanted just to come and look around, you probably want to come during the spring, but obviously on a day when it's not raining. Don't you want to look at it?
Oh. I should have helped you down too.
No, go ahead. Battery's running low.
Yeah, looking at this trail, it reminds me of Lord of the Rings. Get off the trail! Get off the trail! Look at it! It just looks creepy. I can see the big eye looking at us right now.
It does look pretty creepy. But I bet in the summer and stuff it's really nice.
It's actually a little, kind of cool, a little bit. Actually, I like it a lot, honestly. It's pretty darn cool, but creepy. Creepy and cool at the same time, I guess. I don't know.
Hey everybody, we are finished with our trip to Turner Falls. I had a good time. David, did you have a good time?
Oh, it sucked. No, I'm just kidding. It was awesome.
He liked it too.
Yeah.
We have to go back though. Definitely bring family and friends and go and have a good time. I would definitely suggest to go if you are wanting just somewhere new to go for the summer. Like, definitely hit that place up. They have camping and RVs set up for you, and they have food, and I mean you can do rafting, trails, all kinds of stuff. So, and it's very inexpensive. So I would definitely recommend that you do that. But we're on our way home. We got about an hour left. Join me next time, me and hopefully David, next time whenever we go on our next adventure to wherever we end up. So thanks a lot for coming along. Peace out.